Hello, it's Paolo Tremolo. I'm testing a very special plugin today. It really, excited me and surprised me. I never thought I would like the plugin so much. It's kind of special. Look, this is Master Plan, and as you can see, I'm doing some mastering work in Wavelab. So let's talk about why it is special. Alright, so this is Master Plan. Behind Wavelab 13 Pro, my favorite editor for mastering, and also Vision 4AX meters. I highly recommend them. You can see them reviewed in a separate video on my YouTube channel. Anyway, let's start with the Master Plan. Actually, the GUI is scalable. You can choose the large size, and this is actually my default size I work with. And you can change the colors into white. Sometimes the colors get crazy, so you can change it here if you like. And let's start. It looks quite simple. There is a big loudness knob, so it works with kind of maximizer, which works automatically. Then we have sort of an EQ, but it's not very simple EQ. It actually does a little bit more, I guess. And in the new 1.5 version, we now have the midband control for the lower and higher mids, and some modules in the lower pane here. So thickness is just some kind of saturation module. Clean actually works, I guess, a bit like a Pultec EQ, because it cuts somewhere between 150 or 250, I don't know exactly, but I can feel that the mixes get cleaner when using this. You've got also a multi-compressor, which actually works very elegantly, and it's streamlined to the extreme, it's really very, very simple. Then there is a smoothness thing, and I guess it kind of works as a VCA. Then there is a calm. I thought initially that it works a bit like Soothe, but I guess it's simpler, but it's quite effective actually. And I also very like this tape module, which lets you smooth things even further. There is also wide knob, which can let you make your mixes a bit wider, but then again, you're not allowed to make decisions yourself. It actually was made already for you, and there are different types of kind of speaker emulation, I would say. So you can hear the emulation of NS20s from Yamaha, your iPhone, etc. And then there is a bypass button, true peak button, and also the Unity mode, which lets you compare your mix before and after at the same volume. Below, all crucial meters, of course, are included. So LUFS and peak, it all works great. Fire in Your Eyes by Tomek Pawłowski, one of my students I'm very proud of. Yeah, let's go.
One time for your mind, get rockin'. One time for your mind, we poppin'. One time for your mind, no maybes. Just yes, you'll release the stress. One time for your mind, get rockin'. One time for your mind, we poppin'. One time for your mind, no maybes. Just yes, you'll release the stress.
I don't care how complicated.
So I guess we have to now compare with the Unity gain on, so we can actually see what's happening here. All right, let's go. bypassed and unbypassed.
If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hit replay every single night. Baby, I'll be there if you want it. I don't care how complicated. Be the fire in your eyes, baby. I'll be there if you want it. I don't care how complicated. Be the fire in your eyes.
So I was aiming for kind of analog master, so I compared flow with master plan, and we're going to hear the results soon. So basically Flow is very cool system. I really like it. I'm still paying subscription for it. It actually recreates flows created by real mastering engineers based on real analog or digital hardware. So here's the hardware is emulated. We've got Vice EQ, bus processor in this particular flow. There's a clipper, there is multiband, TubeTech compressor, some kind of widening. There's also TubeTech Pultec style EQ, and also very complex limiter with the de-esser and stuff. So and there is a master plan. So we're going to hear the recording first with Softtube, and I will try to switch every 4 or 8 bars for you. All right, let's go.
One time for your mind, get rockin'. One time for your mind, we poppin'. One time for your mind, no maybes. Just yes, yo, release the stress. One time for your mind, get rockin'. One time for your mind, we poppin'. One time for your mind, no maybes. Just yes, yo, release the stress.
I don't care how complicated. Be the fire in your eyes, baby. I don't care how complicated. Be the fire in your eyes.
So actually, I have to admit that I prefer the master with the master plan. Why? Because it actually is more dynamic. It's a little bit stronger. If you look at the kick with the Softtube, is a little bit rounded. It kind of sounds smoother and a little bit punchier, but there is a low-end information that is being tamed a little bit. Here with the master plan, it actually punches through really, really hard, and still it remains very, very clean. Also, the master I did with the Softtube system is a little bit brighter, and I really like the way master plan tamed high end, because the recording is still very nicely polished. It's airy, but it's not harsh, and you can listen to it very, very loud. So this plugin is extremely musical. It's very simple but extremely musical, so it's just very well tuned. And I guess with the higher compression values, you're getting a little bit less low end. And even though it's not as complex as SUF for this calm button, it's not dynamic suppression, I guess. It kind of seems to be like an EQ, but it works beautifully. So yeah, it just works pretty nice. So for this particular master, I would definitely go with the master plan. So that's it. And I guess every system has its benefits. Softtube is really great. I'm still paying subscription for Softtube. I actually did a lot of master with Softtube. I was really happy with, but this time was much easier, and it gave me slightly better results. So I'm amazed. I'm impressed. Master plan, highly recommended.